So we're circling back to our passive compost system and just trying to check on its progress. So now that it's been about 3 months since we capped it, I'm noticing that it's working at least to some capacity because it shrank a good 2.5 feet, according to our trusty yardstick. So we can tell that something is going on. There is some microbial activity happening and things are breaking down. Another way I can tell that it's working is that this was all green material and now it's brown. So things are rotting and decomposing, and I'm thinking at this point we should just take a look under the hood and see what's happening. Oh. All right, well now I can definitely smell kind of an earthy smell. It doesn't smell rotten. It doesn't smell like, rotten food or anything. It smells basically like compost, like really earthy and like soil. So that's a good sign. It's still got a ways to go. So we'll see you in 3 months to check back in on its progress.